Welcome back to the channel. Today is August 15th, 2025, and we're bringing you the latest update on Bigbear.Ai stock, ticker Bbai, including the current market situation and a trading strategy that can help you navigate this AI-driven tech stock. As of yesterday, Bbai is trading around $5.79, after a recent pullback from highs near $8.22 in mid-July. The stock has shown notable volatility with a beta of 3.45, reflecting its higher risk profile compared to the broader market. Over the past year, Bbai surged more than 349%, driven by strategic partnerships in defense AI, including a big $2.4 billion shared contract with the FAA, which sparked solid investor interest. However, despite strong revenue growth to around $158 million, the company is still posting net losses. The last quarter showed a significant loss of approximately $229 million with an EBITDA margin around -21%, indicating ongoing costs in scaling the business. Analysts have mixed views, with price targets ranging between $3.50 on the low end and roughly $8 on the optimistic side. The stock trades at a higher valuation relative to earnings, and recent earnings missed expectations, which introduces some short-term caution. Yet, the long-term potential remains tied to the growth of AI adoption in defense and enterprise sectors. Now, let's discuss a trading strategy for Bbai. If you're a cautious investor, consider waiting for a stable base around $5.50 to $6 before accumulating shares. Use stop losses to protect against downside, given the volatile nature of AI stocks. For active traders, playing the momentum swings in the $5.50 to $7.50 range can be effective. Watch for volume spikes and news catalysts that tend to drive sharp moves. Options traders might look at protective puts or buying calls during dip moments to leverage potential rebounds while managing risks. In summary, Bbai is a high-growth, high-volatility stock with exciting prospects but also significant risk, especially tied to execution and market sentiment in AI sectors. That's your Bigbear.Ai update for August 15th, 2025. Are you bullish on AI's role in defense tech, or are you sitting this one out? Drop your thoughts below, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more market updates.